Bon Beanie, and thank you for joining me on another unboxing video. Wow, no unboxing videos for years, and then you get two. So I don't know that you're going to get three. Well, you might get three. I'm considering another purchase that would give you maybe another unboxing. Anyway, let me know down below. Do you like these unboxing videos? I mean, I'm not really a tech channel, but yeah, let me know what you think. Anyway, I got a new thing to go with the Osmo Action 4, which I just did an unboxing of. So check that video out if you're interested in that camera. But really, this particular item that I got is good for a variety of cameras. It can work on GoPros, it can work on Osmos, it can work on cell phones, I believe. So here's what it is. It is by a company called Telesin. It is the U-shaped neck holder mount. Now, I did a lot of research to try and figure out a good way to get like first-person views with an action camera, and this is the thing that got a lot of really positive feedback. So I decided to go ahead and order one. So I'm going to unbox it for you, and no plastic on this one, so it's going to be a little bit easier for me to unbox. But it does have some instructions here on mounting and such. Okay, so we'll put those to the side for now. It's got a little mounting key here. Okay, mounting key. And then there's not much to this, I don't think, from what I've been told, or by told I mean watching other YouTube videos. It's pretty simple. I'll get that box out of the way. And but let's see. Can I figure it out live on camera? We're not live, so I don't know why I said that. But so all right, so this goes around your neck. That part is clear to me. You can get mounts that would work with this for like a cell phone or whatever. But of course, this is a standard like GoPro, Osmo, enter your action camera here mount, which I'm not actually smart enough to use. So how does this work? Somebody's watching going, oh my gosh, dude, I don't need this. Actually, it goes like this. This is how it goes. So this is if I wanted to mount it sideways. I don't want to mount it. So I don't do like Instagram. So, but if you do, then covered. So actually all I need is this. So this looks like it just snaps into place. Boom. Did you hear that click? That's a satisfying click. There's a button. I'm guessing this button releases it. Just like that. Let's get that click again here. I'm going to here. It's not satisfying if it doesn't work here. Oh, yeah. That's a good sound. If I can get it to work. Click, 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 boom. So this is very bendy, stretchy. You can basically just undo this, put it around your neck, like so. I feel like I'm tying a tie, going to, formal night. Boom, there's the click. And then here you go. Now, I'm not doing this for dance. Anyway, you know what? I've got a camera. Let's put it on. Let's see what happens. Let's get it on. Not in that way. Let me see if I have my mouse that I just got here. This Osmo came with two different mounts. I'm going to use this one. Push the little clips in. Make sure the DJI is facing the right direction. You can tell with this camera when it's in or not, because there we go. It's another satisfying click. Here at Fantastic Cruising, we are all about satisfying clicks. Not like the high school. Anyway. All right. So then for me, I'm going to do it like this. And then if I've got that lined up, may or may not, through there. Learning as I go. All right. So I could make a lot of really off color jokes here, but I'm not going to do. There we go. I see what I'm trying to do now. So this just goes in here. This is why this would be handy to have that little magnetic thing, because I don't have to fiddle with this every time. See, if I had a GoPro, every time I had to find that opening. That sounded worse. I was trying to avoid that. And then get in there, and but with this, I don't have to worry about that. I can just pop it right off this little magnetic clip. How flippin' radical is that? And then now it's a little hard for me to get my finger in there. I will say that, but it's still a lot easier, and it's probably something I'll get better at. There we go. Boom. Okay. Put it around my neck. Feel like I'm in Public Enemy. See if we can get another satisfying click here. It's going to take a little bit getting used to line everything up. But I've seen people that are more coordinated than me do this much quicker. All right, there we go. Now, the cool thing about action cameras, whether you have a GoPro or an Osmo, is that they're really good at finding the horizon, and they're really good at keeping it steady. So I'm not really worried if I'm shaking around. This is how it works. I know I wore a black shirt just so you couldn't see it, but yeah, I like it. It's comfortable. It's not real heavy. Yeah, we'll give it a shot, and look for a video with some footage of this camera on this thing. We'll see how it works with the first person view. Anyway, I got this on Amazon, by the way. You can get it from their website, Amazon. There's probably other places you can get it from. I don't have links in the description. I don't do all that, but you can find it. Just go look for it. And it is a little confusing. Cat's crooked because still, there we go. There's like a couple different versions of this, and I was a little confused about that. I went with I think this one said it was like the longer version. If it is, I made the right choice, because if there's one that's shorter than this, it would not work. But it's the updated one. I saw that too. It's about a little under $30. Not bad for this, and I like it so far. I like it. We'll see what kind of footage it gets. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up, the bell, you know, the YouTube stuff. But seriously, thank you for watching. Look for some future videos on the Osmo Action 4 and the Telesin U-shaped neck holder mount.